everyone, welcome back to my channel Glam Your Look. This is Priyanka. I hope you all are doing good. In this video I am going to share with you a very affordable eyeshadow palette. This is the palette that I am talking about. As you can see, the name is mentioned. This is SFR Color, Wars London SFR Color eyeshadow palette. It has 28 eyeshadows in it, and this palette I have already shown in my recent haul video. So if you have missed that video, then please go and check it out, because I have shown so many affordable makeup, skincare and body care products in that video. I bought this from Flipkart at a good price. The price of this palette is rupees 235, which is very affordable. So all these shades you can wear on a daily basis. So if you are a college going girl or you are going to office, then in that case you can definitely purchase this palette, because it has all the neutral undertones, it has all the neutral shades as you can see, and there are earthy tones as well. So if you are searching anything on a low budget, then in that case you can definitely go ahead and purchase this eyeshadow palette. So I am going to review this palette for you all, and along with that I will show you eye makeup using this palette. So you can create many eye makeups using this palette, but in this video I am going to show you eye makeup which is very easy to create, and any beginner can definitely go ahead and create that makeup look very easily. And I'm not going to use many makeup brushes. So as you can see, I have not applied any eye makeup. I have only applied concealer on my eyes, and I've set it well with a powder. So I have only done my face makeup, as you can see. I'll be reviewing this product for you first, and after that I'll be sharing the eye makeup with you all. So if you want to see how this product is, how this product performs, so please continue watching. This is the packaging of this eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it is a plastic case. I received this eyeshadow palette like this without any outer packaging. If you are traveling somewhere, I will not recommend to take this product with you, because it might break on the way, because it is the plastic quality is not that good. But according to the price, the packaging is not bad. Actually, we cannot complain, because for rupees 235 this palette is good. The packaging is okay. So my shade is 01, as you can see. The expiry date and the production date is mentioned, so you can see it's mentioned over here in the bottom. And you are getting 5 years of shelf life to use this product. The ingredients are also mentioned, as you can see, and there is paraben in this product, and the weight of this product is 28.8 grams. So here I am opening and showing you the shades. The shades are very beautiful, as you can see, and you are getting 28 eyeshadows in this palette, and you are also getting these 2 sponge tip applicators. These applicators are also useful. Actually, you can see I have used this particular side to apply one eyeshadow, and it applies really well on eyelids. Mostly the shades are on the brown side, so you are getting many shades of brown. So usually I prefer using brown shades on a daily basis, and brown shades look very good on Indian skin tone. This white over here, it appears to be matte, this one, and the black towards the extreme right, as you can see, this particular shade. So this also is matte, and rest all the shades that are in this palette are of satin finish. But when you apply, when you pick this eyeshadows with brush and apply on your eyelids, they look like mattes only. They don't give much shimmer and shine. So that's what I can say. So now I will show you the swatches of these shades on my hand, so that you can see how the shades look and how the pigmentation is. So these are all the eyeshadows on the first row. You can see all the 14 eyeshadows on the first row. So they are pretty decently pigmented, as you can see. Next I will swatch the bottom row. So these are the 5 shades, starting 5 shades on the bottom row, and many shades in this palette are also repetitive, as you can see. This particular shade over here, this one and this one, these 2 shades are quite similar. So I am telling about these 2 shades, they are quite similar. You can see the shades, and these 2 shades are also quite similar, this one and this one. So these are the 7 eyeshadows towards the bottom right. So I am picking up this shade over here, this one over here, and I am using it on my crease as a transition shade. So this shade is very light. I'm going to pick up with this blending brush and I'm going to apply it on my crease, and I'll blend it well. This kajal, this is from Stay Quirky. I'm going to apply this kajal on my waterline. I'm going to tightline as well. Next, I'm going to pick this brown shade over here, and this one I'm going to apply on my lower lash line, and I'm using this Pond's Tip applicator to smudge my kajal. So next I'm going to apply liner, and for liner I'm going to use this liner. This is from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. I'm using this mascara from Essence. This is a very good mascara, and I've shown you in my recent haul video. I'm applying my lower lashes as well. So you can see my eye makeup right now. It looks so beautiful. It is a very wearable kind of eye makeup. So this palette is very good, and definitely I recommend this to you all. You can definitely go ahead and purchase this eyeshadow palette. Only the issue is with the uh, with the powderiness of the shades. So some of the shades are very powdery, and they're not chalky, but they're powdery, and they blend really well on eyelids. So that is a very good thing that I wanted to share. And one more thing I wanted to tell you guys, that the price of this palette keeps on changing. So this palette you will get in local market. I think many of the YouTubers, they have said like they have got this palette within rupees 200. So sometimes you might get this on 200. Sometimes I have got this on a price of rupees 235. So you might get this palette on a higher price as well. So sometimes it's available for rupees 275. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll bring such amazing videos for you all. And if you have any queries and suggestions, please comment down below. I'll try to work on it. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and do share with your friends. So see you in my next video. Till then,